will do the 10th lesson from grade 10th. The Summon at Banaras. In this story, we will read about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born in the year 563 BC. At the age of 12, he was sent to school. Later, he got married. Gautam Buddha was born in a princely family. He did not know anything about the suffering of life. His previous name was Siddhartha. One day, Siddhartha, at the age of 25, he went for hunting, and 3 incidents changed his life. The first incident was he come across a sick man. Second incident of an old man, and the third one, dead body being carried in a procession. These 3 incidents changed the entire life of Siddhartha. He was troubled, he was confused, he was restless. He goes back home. At night, he couldn't sleep. He was very much restless. He tries to find the solution for all these problems. So he goes to a monk to find solution. And he couldn't get. Later, he himself wishes to become a monk. He leaves the home, goes to seek enlightenment from God. He sits under a peepal tree for 7 long days without eating and drinking. On the 7th day, he gets enlightenment from God, and his name Siddhartha changed into Buddha here. Buddha meaning is an enlightenment one. And under the peepal tree he gets that enlightenment, and that tree was called as Bodhi tree, tree of wisdom. Later he goes on preaching about God at Banaras. There, a lady by name Kisa Gautami comes to meet him because her only one son has been dead. She wants her son back to life. She goes to neighbors in her village, but nobody could give her any medicine. So someone suggests to her, go to Gautam Buddha. And there she goes, pleading for medicine. And Gautam Buddha tells her, go and get mustard seed. And the lady feels very happy. Mustard seeds are there in everyone's house. And then he adds, get mustard seed from the house where there is no one is dead, either father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. And she goes door to door, house to house, asking for mustard seed, and then adds, if anyone dead in your house. They were ready to give her mustard seed, but everyone was telling, they were sad, saying that dead ones are many, living are very few. And she comes back realized that this is part and parcel of our life. Human beings come on this earth one day or the other. They have to go back to God. She goes back to Gautam Buddha saying that I could get mustard seeds, but I couldn't get mustard seed from the house where there is no one is dead. So later Gautam Buddha makes her understand. We are come on this earth, we have to go through struggles of life. We have to go through sufferings. We have to go through old age, and finally, one day or the other, we have to come across death. This is all about in this chapter. I hope you understood the lesson that I have explained in very simple way. I will give you some questions which may help you for your exams. What did her experience teach Kisa Gautami? Kisa Gautami became tired and hopeless. She sat at the wayside. She saw the lights of the city. They were flickered up and extinguished again. She learned from her experience that human lives were like the lights and death is common to all. What did the Buddha want Kisa Gautami to understand? The Buddha wanted Kisa Gautami to understand that man cannot get peace of mind by grieving. On the contrary, his pain will be greater and his body will suffer. He will make himself sick and pale. A man who does not lament, complain, and grieve will get peace of mind. A man who has overcome all sorrow will be free from sorrow and will be blessed. I hope you understood this lesson clearly well. If you like the way I explain, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.